In day 6, today's exercise is for you to use third-party modules Request and Beautiful Soup, which we've talked about in today's videos, to create Scraper, where you can take any website you want and use Beautiful Soup's functionality to look at all the text inside the articles and print it out into the terminal. It doesn't really matter which web page you're taking off from the internet. All this is about is using requests to get some HTML from online and using the Beautiful Soup to take certain elements within that HTML and print it onto the Python screen. In tomorrow's video, I'm going to start off by taking a look at how I have solved this and what functions within Beautiful Soup I have used. The key here is for you to explore in Beautiful Soup and Requests documentation how to combine some of their functions to achieve this. I'll see you guys tomorrow. And this brings us to the end of the section. So in this section, we talked about Python modules. So Python modules are packages of functions and methods and even submodules where the idea is we're creating a module to do a specific thing, and we're packaging all the functions and methods around that specific goal into a module so that other Python programmers don't need to reinvent the wheel. When we use a module, we use the import keyword to take the module inside our Python environment, which creates then a namespace for that module. We can use that module by calling functions under the namespace and grouping all the functionality within one namespace, which prevents any name collisions between functions. We then talked about using third-party Python modules. The most common way of finding out how to do something in Python is to Google, and the answer from Google is usually from somebody pointing you to a third-party module that would solve your problems. And to install this third-party module, what we do is we use pip to install, and we can then use that as an import statement within our Python environment. Now that we're importing Python modules, Python would start creating compiled Python files, and we can see the bytecode of the Python files using this, dis. And then I also talked about some of the standard Python modules that you have to import, but you don't necessarily have to install with pip because these modules come with Python itself. We saw OS, which allows you to interact with the operating system, and we saw collections as a module which contains high performance data types that speed up the way you do Python application development. So that's the end of today. I hope this gives you enough information to do tonight's exercise. And tomorrow we're going to talk about handling files programmatically in Python. I'll see you guys next time.